Walnut is a miraculous substance that can transform your hair. Walnuts are high in magnesium, zinc, calcium, phosphorus, and a long list of other minerals. Walnut oil is said to be one of the greatest oils for hair, as it can assist with dandruff, hair breakage, and hair thinning, among other issues. The following are 5 hair benefits of walnut oil. 1. Prevents hair fall. We struggle with hair loss on a daily basis. Walnut oil helps strengthen your hair roots while also preventing hair loss. Walnuts are high in selenium, which helps to prevent hair loss. Walnut oil is high in omega-3 fatty acids, which aid to reduce the risk of cell damage on the scalp. Use walnut hair oil 3 times a week and leave it on overnight, allowing it to work on your scalp for a few hours before rinsing it out with a paraben shampoo the next morning for optimal effects. For best results, repeat this hair regimen for a month. 2. Promotes hair growth. Walnut oil contains biotin and vitamin V7, which aid in hair growth and make your hair very strong and long. Additionally, if you have colored hair, walnut oil helps enhance the color of your hair, making it appear more vibrant and shinier. Walnut oil has a significant amount of potassium, which aids in the acceleration of hair development. 3. Helps to get rid of dandruff. Dandruff is a pain to get rid of, and it doesn't go away easily. The problem of dandruff, which can lead to significant hair loss if not treated, or seborrheic dermatitis, a disease that causes severe irritation, should not be overlooked. Walnut oil, on the other hand, aids in the treatment of dandruff at its source. Apply it at least twice a week and rinse it out with cold water and a sulfate-free shampoo. After the first rinse, you'll notice a visible reduction in dandruff. 4. Prevent hair loss. The most significant advantage of walnut oil is that it accelerates cell regeneration, avoiding hair thinning. The usage of walnut oil also increases the quality of hair. Walnut oil provides the nutrients that your hair requires. With the help of omega-2, 3, and 9 fatty acids, it keeps your hair from becoming weak, making it robust from root to tip. 5. It can be used to treat psoriasis. Psoriasis is a scalp illness that results in red rashes. The scalp gets extremely itching and inflamed. Applying walnut oil to the affected region can help prevent the rash from spreading. Walnut oil soothes the skin and reduces inflammation. The best time to apply it is shortly before you go in the shower. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for our next video.